Hi everyone, this is Mike here with Computer Cuisine Deluxe 7.0. Just wanted to make a video showing how you actually upgrade from an older version 6 to the new version 7. So for the sake of this demonstration, I have dragged out the Computer Cuisine Deluxe folder onto my desktop. You don't have to do this. If you're on a Mac, they will be inside your applications folder, or if you're on a Windows PC, it'll probably be in your documents folder or what have you, wherever you chose to install it. So I'm going to go ahead and launch the older version of Computer Cuisine Deluxe, which is version 6.5. So let's go ahead and launch this. And what you want to do here is obviously you want to work from a backup. You don't want to mess anything up because this recipe data is going to be yours and yours alone. That's most likely in your collection. So by all means, you want to work from a backup. The beauty of Computer Cuisine Deluxe is that everything resides inside this folder. You don't have to worry about hidden files that are scattered across your hard drive. So if you ever really wanted to just have a nice clean backup, you can just copy this folder to a thumb drive, copy it to Dropbox, copy it to a different computer, what have you, burn it to a CD. You can always just copy the entire folder, and then you'll be sure that you have everything completely backed up. So you want to make sure that you back everything up first, but we're not really going to do anything dangerous here. We're just going to essentially, the process is you export your recipe data out from the old version and you import it into the new version. That's it. So all we're doing right now is step one is we're going to export the recipe data out of the old version so that we can import it into the new. So we're going to go into the tools menu and we're going to back up all recipes as a tab separated text and no photos. The no photos is kind of a key. I'm going to get to that later, but if you have quite a few recipe photos in your collection, that's going to be a slightly more advanced step. But for the first part, if you have just a few photos or what have you, or none at all, and you just have recipe data, all we're going to do is just say back up all recipes into a tab separated text, this bottom choice from Computer Cuisine 6.5. So we're going to go ahead and do that. It will tell you that it's going to create your backup folder onto your desktop as this file called recipes backup.tab. Going to go ahead and do that, and you can see that it's working. And after it exports, there's 1,001 recipes still in this older version. Here is your new recipes backup on your desktop. So that's basically it, and that's all we need from version 6.5. So we're going to go ahead and close this out and quit this. And we really didn't alter version 6.5 at all. It's still intact. It's ready to go. You can still use it, but we've now exported all the recipe data into this nice file. So now we're going to load the new version, version 7.0. And if we load this new version, you'll see we're going to launch this, let this go, and now this includes 1,001 recipes, as you know. Maybe you'd want to delete all of these recipes before actually importing your other recipes, because then you'll have 1,001 plus your recipes. Maybe you just want a nice clean version of just your recipes. So what we may want to do is say delete all recipes from version 7.0. It'll say, do you want to delete them all? Yes. So we're going to go ahead and delete all of them. And now we have nothing left. So the last step is very simple. We're just going to import recipes from Computer Cuisine Deluxe version 5 or 6 backup tab. That's that file that's on our desktop. Going to go ahead. We're going to make sure this is set to all available, and we're going to find that file right there. We select that. Once we select that file and hit go, ta-da! We've now imported the 1,001 recipes. Let's go ahead and sort this out. The 1,001 recipes that were from the old version into the new version. Everything's intact. Everything is exactly the way it is for your recipe data. So that's the quick and easy way to import all of your recipes and your entire collection from version 5 or 6 into version 7. I'll make another video separately to show to show how you upgrade if you have quite a few photos in your collection. But if you don't have any photos, or if you have very few and want to just re-import them manually, that's the way to go. So pretty much that's it.